Today we got some gear to unbox. CYNOVA looks like the name of the company here. This one is specially for Mavic 3, and this one here will work with pretty much any drone you have. Looks very nice, semi-hard. Wow, it's got a nice open pocket button connector over here, very nice. Wow, even the two little pieces clip together, that's pretty dope. So you can keep your two zips from opening. In the front we have, ooh, specially for your Mavic 3. Here's padded, up here's got a clip, you just unhook it. At the top here, you've got like separation gear, like padding. It's got black walls and red walls, which we'll check out in a bit. And up here you've got lots of room to put your controllers, to put your small DSLR, or you know, whatever camera gear you have. Wow, I'm liking this. It's got a handle here at the top. It's got your backpacks, obviously. Everything feels nice and quality. There's padding here for your back. So yeah, this is pretty dope. Everything is quality. Your stitching, you got places to put your tripod or your water bottle over here, and you got it on both sides. That's pretty nice. This part opens up, and this must be where you can put your laptop. Love it. You got more separating walls here. So this is not just for your Mavic 3. This is a nice solid camera bag, and what I love about it, it's very small and compact. We're loaded up here. I've got one battery in the drone, one over here, and this can hold up to 1, 2, 3, 4, and one in the drone. That's 5. That's insane. You could put up to 5 batteries. You could put props here. You could put your charger if your person likes to walk with your charger. I don't. Your charging brick can go in there. Here you've got your stock controller that fits in here, and you got, you know, like your strobe light if you're flying at night, maybe some extra sticks, right? Filters and all that stuff can also go in here if you want. Tons of accessories, whatever you got. There's like a little adapter piece right here. You just slide it out, and once you slide out that piece, you take your RC Pro and it slips right in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Put your Mavic 2 Pro and lock it up and button it up. Yep. So now you can take multiple drones, right? Mavic 2 Pro still is a beast, right? Don't underestimate it, right? If you guys are out there, you got a Mavic 2 Pro, shout out to you. And it even fits with the aftermarket cover, so you don't have to use the OG muzzle that it comes with, right? You can put your own stuff on it, and it fits nice and smooth and easy. And because hair is nice and padded, you don't have to worry about anything. Good. So what happens if you do not have a Mavic 3? Just grab the base and take it out. There you go, separate, right? You can even use this as a storage section and to keep your Mavic 3 stuff at home. And then boom, you just load it up with the inserts. I have it set up already. I'm actually liking this little guy. I got my little Panasonic Micro Four Thirds DSLR. I've got my 17 millimeter lens on it. It's got 17 millimeter lens. I've got a 25 millimeter, a 42.5 millimeter, and a zoom lens. All of that fits into the bag with my RC Pro controller and my Air 2S with one battery. And I have got 3 more Air 2S batteries up top here, along with filters. Yes, I'm making a video about these filters. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out. KOLARI business, the best I have ever seen, hands down, when it comes to ND filters. But that's not what this video is about. Yeah, batteries up here, and I still have more space to pack more stuff. So I don't know. Oh my gosh, do we have another hidden compartment over here? We have another hidden compartment here. Put your SD card holders or something in there. Look at this. Boom. But that's like a magnetic button. I feel like this can pop at any time, so it's really nice that in addition to the magnetic button, they have like a fail-safe here. So let's pop the button. You see how easy it came loose over there? Let's put the button, and if you have some sensitive stuff in there, you just hook it right here, and this acts like a safety hatch, so in case anything looses out, you don't lose it. You just pull the string right here and you're good to go. All your stuff is safe even if the button pops loose. So I like that. I really do like that. We're not done. On the shoulder strap itself, on you've got a little another sneaky zip right here. Oh, I just saw this too. This is like a little sneaky zip. You just open it up and stay. You can put little things in here. Probably your filters could go in here, like a little sneaky zip. That's nice. Nice and small and comfortable. There you go. This is my go-to bag. This is the PGYTECH OneGo or OneMo bag, this is my go-to. This has been it since I got this bag. I have never put it down. What I like about this is that it's lighter. It's lighter and it's a little more compact. It's hard to see on camera, but when I'm traveling light, what I intend to do is use this bag because it just feels lighter. But when I'm going to do a bigger job or I want to carry more gear, I'm going to default to the PGYTECH. So I'm kind of glad I have two options now, because sometimes you just want to travel light. I could take stuff out of here, a few stuff, toss it in here, and I'm good to go, as opposed to having to use this bag all of the time. So yeah, this is like a lighter version. I would call this like the light, and this one like the pro. It doesn't take long or much for it to grow on you, whether you're using it for the Mavic 3 or you're using it just as a camera and drone bag. Gotta love it. Wow. So let's go from day into night so we can open this up. Go ahead and smash that like button so YouTube knows I'm out here making videos for you guys. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the bell to get notified. Now let's crack this box open. And now the box. Man, these boxes are so hard to open these days. What do we got here? Instructions for use. Wow, how nice. It comes with instructions. We don't read. Okay, I guess you've got to open it wide out. It's not too big. It's got two sides, the gray side and gray and orange, or just orange and black. I like it. It's got a button too. I guess you just power the button. What instructions do you... Need some light in your life? Whoa, take me off, baby. I like it. Does it light both sides or just one side? Wow, this is nice. Oh, both sides, boy. Both sides. Choose your side. Oh, I like it. And it's got what? USB. Oh, it's USB-C rechargeable. Just plug a USB-C. And it shows you the battery life right here. Well, we've got the landing pad, so might as well fly. Yep, still rocking the CYNOVA bag from earlier. Easy, cheesy. What do I got here today? You've got to have your landing mat well lit up, the FAA says, when you're flying at night. So I think this pretty much constitutes it. Let's tap. Just give it a tap. Ooh, that's a solid state. Not really, just like a long hold before it flashes. Not bad. What else we got? Oh, all red, baby. All red, then all blue, then all green. Nice. Can we go again? What can you give us again? We got all red. It's not changing, so you can get one color if you want. Press again. All blue, baby. If you like blue in your life, oh my gosh, all green. So every time you tap, it either holds a light or does a different mode. I like this one. It's like Christmas. Of course, just press and hold to turn the power off. Very nice. Love the battery indicators. Very well done, CYNOVA. Folding instructions is very simple. The center line, just fold that first, right? And then just curve the ends, basically. Close down the ends. That's it. Would have been nice to have like a pouch, like a nice premium cloth pouch to put this in, right? But have no fear. Check this out. Remember the laptop opening part where you can open to put your laptop in? Well, guess what? In case you're not traveling with your laptop, this fits right in there. Zipperoo, baby. There you go. Great job, CYNOVA. Loving the bag. Great alternative for Mavic 3 in case you don't want to carry a hard case. Great alternative for camera gear. Very light, very sturdy, very well thought out. It looks long lasting. Of course, I'm going to be using the crap out of this bag, so I'll keep you guys posted, but I can tell already this guy is solid. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos. Think about becoming a patron. I'm doing a hyperlapse class soon. So yeah, if you're a patron, you can join that hyperlapse class. Get your hyperlapse game up. Yep, that's all I got for you guys today. I will see you guys whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.